With the Cuddle Zone system from Gardner's, you'll both have the right balance of support and comfort that's perfect for your sleep position, without compromise. That's why we often recommend a natural sap rubber latex mattress. It's superior in several ways. Natural latex is a completely organic material made from rubber trees. It's great for both comfort and support because it gently cradles your body while relieving pressure points. Natural sap rubber latex is just that, natural. Because your skin absorbs everything it's exposed to, it makes sense to sleep comfortably all night long on a natural material. That way, you never have to wonder what your skin is absorbing or have to deal with harsh chemical odors ever. That's one of the big advantages of natural sap rubber latex over memory foam. Also, natural sap rubber latex is more durable than other mattress types. It's not prone to break down simply by being exposed to oxygen like memory foam or comfort padding. Support, comfort, and exceptional durability. Those are just some of the reasons why natural sap rubber latex outlasts all other mattress types by years, even decades. So regardless of your sleep position, you'll get the exact support and comfort you need night after night after night with our unique Cuddle Zone systems and the joy of less snore, more cuddle for less. It really is easy to learn more about your sleep issues. Just read Sleep Better. Plus, get free, helpful information instantly.
For snoring issues, text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. If you struggle with aches and pains, text the number 2 to 717-297-1961. And if you've had enough of compromise, text the number 3 to 717-297-1961. You'll have your free copy of Sleep Better soon.
Get a great night's sleep naturally. Schedule your personal consultation today, get 2 free pillows when you visit, and discover for yourself why the best value is a Cuddle Zone system from Gardner's.